Understanding the value of expert witnesses in motorcycle crash trials. Navigating the intricate landscape of motorcycle crash trials requires not only a legal acumen but also a deep understanding of technical nuances, human behavior, and the interplay of various factors that contribute to accidents. At the core of unraveling these complexities are expert witnesses, individuals who bring a wealth of specialized knowledge and experience to the courtroom. These experts hold the key to deciphering the intricate web of causation, human actions, vehicle dynamics, and environmental influences that converge in a motorcycle crash trial. A comprehensive understanding of motorcycle accidents. Motorcycle crash trials transcend the ordinary boundaries of legal proceedings due to their intricate nature. Expert witnesses bridge the gap between legal arguments and technical analysis, offering multidimensional perspectives that are crucial for establishing the truth. Their significance lies in their ability to deconstruct the sequence of events leading up to the crash, peeling away layers of complexity to expose the underlying factors that often elude the untrained eye. An experienced motorcycle accident lawyer in Colorado will develop a pre-litigation and litigation strategy to pursue negotiations and litigation, if necessary. Although your personal injury lawyer may be an expert in legal matters with a high degree of knowledge about accident issues, many motorcycle crash claims require an expert who can testify about the facts of the crash so the attorney can argue the legal application. The nexus of expertise and communication. Expert witnesses not only possess technical expertise but also possess the rare skill of translating intricate data into relatable narratives. This art of communication is pivotal in ensuring that judges and jurors grasp the essence of the case. These professionals unravel technical jargon and present the facts in a coherent and accessible manner, enabling everyone in the courtroom to understand the intricacies involved. They contextualize these details, connecting them to the human aspect of the accident. By doing so, they create a bridge between the mechanical aspects of the crash and the emotional resonance it carries for those involved. Human behavior and environmental factors. While technical aspects are critical, human behavior remains a focal point in motorcycle crash trials. Expert witnesses dive into the psychology and decision-making of the parties involved. They analyze the actions of the motorcyclist, other drivers, and pedestrians leading up to the accident, shedding light on whether negligence, recklessness, or adherence to traffic laws played a role. Furthermore, expert witnesses consider the environmental factors that shaped the accident. Weather conditions, visibility, road quality, and lighting can significantly influence the dynamics of a motorcycle crash. By scrutinizing these elements, expert witnesses unearth how external factors converged with human actions to create the circumstances leading to the accident. Conclusion. In the intricate realm of motorcycle crash trials, expert witnesses are the architects of understanding. Their multifaceted role encompasses technical analysis, communication prowess, and the ability to bridge the gap between complex data and human empathy. Through their contributions, they weave a tapestry of insight that not only reveals the technical truths of an accident but also unveils the human stories that lie beneath.